here today at our manufacturing headquarters in Ashford in Kent to take you behind the scenes and show you some of the unique features of our fencing and the processes that go into making it. Today we're looking at the features of some of our welded mesh fencing. We have lots of different styles including 358 mesh, twin wire and double layer. Here is a sample of our EuroGuard Combi fencing, which is our unique timber and steel combination fencing. This type of fencing is ideal for anywhere that needs privacy and concealment. This could be around school playing fields to stop interaction with the public, or around a high security property to prevent sight of sensitive or classified operations.
Our welded mesh panels are Galfan zinc alloy coated to give superior protection against rust. The wire gauge is always measured before coating, and you'll see those measurements on our website, brochures and drawings. This gives you an accurate representation of exactly how strong our wire is. Our EuroGuard panels feature these anti-vandal mesh security clips that allow them to securely attach to posts. The fixings are tamper-proof and installed on the secure side of the fence to prevent access and removal.
All of our panels can be polyester powder coated on site here in Kent. Having our own powder coating plant allows us to control the processes, making sure that we use the highest quality coatings. In addition to making the panels more attractive, powder coating provides an extra layer of protection against rust. It is worth noting that our dimensions are specified pre-coating, unlike some other manufacturers in the industry that specify dimensions after coating the product.
We have so many variations of mesh available to us to suit all risks and applications, ranging from sports mesh to high security mesh to suit CPNI, LPCB and secured by design approvals.